The 2021 Harley-Davidson Touring Street Glide Special is a factory custom bagger with highway shredding power offered with new two-tone paint options, and with a choice of a blacked out or bright chrome styling treatments, giving the customer a choice of a look that's dark and sinister or brilliant and more traditional. All special models are now equipped with the new high-performance Ventilator air cleaner with a washable filter element and a new low-profile engine guard. The Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin engine with 118 foot-pounds of torque and Prodigy wheels. The original hot rod bagger rolls behind the classic Harley-Davidson batwing fairing. Responsive power meets long-haul comfort and custom style. Bright white Daymaker LED headlamp pushes out an impressive punch that lights up the road and makes the motorcycle more conspicuous in daytime.